Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're giving you a tour of the new National Stadium track. This is a National Stadium located in Kingston, Jamaica, and they recently made changes to the track. The track was like an orange color, but now they've put down a new track and painted it in the Jamaican colors. And I must say, job well done. The stadium looks so much nicer. Now this is an old stadium and eventually they're going to have to build a new one. But until that is done, they have renovated the track here. And even the football field looks very nice. This is actually where Messi played when he came to Jamaica, Lionel Messi. And the stadium was full. I think the only other time the stadium was ever that full was or is during boys and girls champs. But outside of that, I don't think the stadium is that full. Alright guys, just giving you a quick tour. We're going to fly the drone around so you can see the entire track. Alright guys, let us know what you think of the new track. Leave your comments in the section below. Alright guys, have a good day.